Okay, this is our skills group for 2021. Have Tim Garrison, have Caleb Ward, have Logan Willis, and what was your name again? Oh yeah, Rick. Have Rick Elkins, he's our adult there. Here's the prizes. We have lots of prizes. We have the tool bag with some tools in it. That will be our first place adults, first place for high school student, and then a couple other bags. Lots of goodies in them we'll probably see later. So we're getting ready to start. Are you guys ready? Alrighty. Okay, we're going to sneak a peek at the guys. They're in there doing their written test. 65 questions on the written test and a tape measure test also. We're just going to sneak in and look at them through here. Here we have Caleb Ward trying to make this sheet metal project. Rick Elkins is bull burner. See if he can name everything that's on oil burner. Tim Garrison working on the electrical troubleshooting board. How's it going, Tim? We'll find out here in a little bit. Have Logan working on his brazing. Just to make that right there. Has to hold 100 pounds of pressure of nitrogen. No leaks, has 35 minutes to make it. How's it going, Logan?
Pretty good, I hope.
Okay.
I don't have a place to put anything.
Yeah.
Almost got
How's it going, Rick? Tim, how you doing? So Logan, look at me, sir. What are we hoping does not happen right now?
Hope it doesn't leak.
Yes, no leaks.
And double check my braze joints. There wasn't any leaks or anything. Dumped out the nitrogen, it worked fine after that.
Really?
Yep.
Oh, almost got you. We can mess with Rick a little bit because he's the only adult, so.
He can edit it out.
Just say everything's wrong.
What'd you say about that team?
Everything else is wrong.
Rick, how's it going? You think you're gonna win your division?
I think so. I think he's got a pretty good chance.
This one I'm giving 0 points for it.
What was you telling him, Christian?
I'm just letting the gentleman know that his multimeter there is the technician's #1 best friend.
You're right.
So right now, he ain't getting no power to his board, so he's trying to figure out why.
Okay.
You get this right?
Yeah. Caleb, are you hoping for no leaks?
Well, I'm hoping for.
It makes 2 of us. About 100 would be fine.
That's good, that's good. Yeah.
He can do it. I've seen him do it before.
Mm-hmm.
I've seen him do it with 32 seconds left.
Can't let you have 2 stuff there.
Your t-shirt in front.
Logan, that's looking good, sir.
Had that on his wall for 30 years. Well, I guess you're like yours.
$28.
Really?
I've got to bring you some beer, mate. I need to get you some.
Do I have to come all the way to your house this weekend? I will. Can't nobody figure it out.
What?
Don't be getting her any props.
She's in here more than she is in. What? She's in here more than her other class.
I don't blame her. She said she's going next, so.
Rick, do you have any leaks? I don't think so, do you? Yeah, that's just the hose. Should be able to tighten it.
Yeah. It's hose. Where the valve is at.
First place for high school, second place for high school, third place for high school.
Wait a second, what's your name? Maybe I
Appalachian Heating gave us some cash also, so I decided to give the first and second place winner also with a cash prize. By a very, very slim margin, Rick Elkins won first place with, out of 500 points, he had 479, and his time was 43 minutes. So, here you go, Rick. Here's that, there's some tools, there is a $25 gift card in there, so don't lose it, and there it is, $20 back. Okay.
Well, 13.
We had Caleb Ward, we had Logan Willis, and we had Ken Garrett. Caleb won first place with 465 points and 51 minutes. Okay? There's a bunch of stuff. For you. There's a gift card, and don't lose it there. Second place was Logan with 382 points, 61 minutes. For Logan. That's yours, sir. There's a gift card in there, so make sure you. And then Kenny Harrison, he came in third place with 318 points. So this is Ken's.
One too far behind you, Rick.
Strippers.
We got some strippers in this bag over here. Gift card for you.
Gift card.
Oh yeah. Got a good, nice hat.
Got some gloves too.
Got some gloves in there. I hear you. Got to take a video of you. On 10%.
Oh, come on, you
give me
better
that
hurry
money.
on video.
They weren't supposed to see that money.
Hey, you said it was on video, so now you're in trouble.
They weren't supposed to see that money.
Yeah, you're in trouble now. You done got it on video.
That thing's supposed to be a 60-foot drop. And it ain't supposed to break that light.
Float, I think it floats.
Practically industrial 66-foot drop test on a light.
Caleb,
That's like,
there's your two walls.
Yeah, my other pair of D-Walls.
Yep, there's the other pair.
Yeah.